Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to explore one of the most intriguing conspiracy theories which is taking the world by storm. Yes, you guessed it right, birds are actually government spy drones. Now, most of you might be wondering how this can be possible. Who could believe that those cute little chirping creatures which we spot on our daily commutes, parks, and backyards could be government-controlled drones? So, in this video, we are going to dive deep into this theory and find out what's the real deal behind it. If we talk about the conspiracy theory, it claims that the US government has replaced all birds with drones. These drones look exactly like birds, with cameras and microphones, so as to spy on people all around the world without being noticed. Some theorists believe that these drones are collecting data and recording the conversations of civilians, making it easier for the government to track our daily activities. Now, this may sound terrifying, but when we see birds flying in our surroundings, it's hard to believe that they are spies. We might think how birds could have cameras and microphones embedded in them, but if you research a bit, you would be amazed to see that the technology used today is very advanced that makes it difficult to spot the difference. Theorists claim that those pigeons or black crows which we spot charging on the wires have a purpose since they are recharging batteries to function efficiently. This might sound crazy at first, but there is a possibility of being true. These birds sit on electric wires to recharge themselves, or at least that's what they want us to think. Some theorists suggest that certain bird species, like pigeons and seagulls, are the primary agents in this vast spying operation. Their presence in urban areas allows them to blend in seamlessly, making them ideal for covert surveillance. If we believe in this theory, the question arises, why the government would do this? Some say that it is the expansion of the government's surveillance on its citizens, to control the masses better, while others say that it is to protect us from terrorism. Whatever the reason may be, the idea seems to be far-fetched, but many people believe in it. The more we dig into the theory, the more questions arise, but we will leave the conclusion to you. Now, let's dive into the reactions of people to this theory. We asked a few people about this theory, and their reactions were mixed. Some people completely believe in the theory, while others found it hard to digest. Their skepticism was partly due to the cuteness of birds, which makes it difficult to believe that the government might replace all these adorable creatures with drones. Recently, Elon Musk shared this photo on Twitter. Does he know something about that we don't know? But for those who believe in it, we understand that their reasoning makes sense. They are concerned about their privacy, and information being collected through these birds, which could be used for purposes unknown to us. So, guys, what do you think? Do you believe in this theory, or do you think it's far-fetched? It's an exciting and disturbing possibility, and we would love to hear your thoughts. Will the birds we see every day suddenly turn on us and reveal themselves to be drones? Let's hope and pray that it's never true. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content. Until next time, keep questioning.